Hi, welcome to HRpreparation.com, India's first online institute for HR exams. We provide test series, study materials, video lectures for all kind of HR exams and interview guidance also. According to the syllabus, there are two sections. One is subject knowledge and another one is the general paper. Now, look into the subject knowledge section. We divided into three subsections for our convenience. There are theory part, labor laws, labor codes. Now we are here at theory part. So all the topics covered in this study material part like management, human resource management and new trends, HRMS, performance appraisals, training and development, HRD, change management and OD, organization behavior, reward and recognition and competency mapping, industrial relations, labor legislations, labor welfare, ILO, discipline, appeal rules, domestic inquiry, principle of natural justice. These all are the new topics we covered in study material part. The next subsection is called labor laws or labor acts. So all 15 labor acts are covered in this study material. Ebooks are available. You can click on the read button and you can go through the ebook. Factors Act, ESA Act, Maternity Benefits Act, Employee Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Act, Trade Union, Industrial Employment, Standing Orders, Industrial Dispute, Contract Labor Regulation and Abolition Act, Child Labor, Minimum Wages, Payment of Wages, Equal Remuneration, Payment of Gratuity. So all 15 acts which are required for the exam, all are covered in study material. Now look into the general paper section. General paper is consist of reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English and GK. So here we covered reasoning, quantitative aptitude and general English with study materials. Reasoning with alphabet, phonology, series, coding, decoding, direction, sentence, blood relations, syllogisms, statements and arguments, statement and conclusions, assertion and reasoning. So these all are important topics from reasoning, and there are ebooks are attached here. Just you can click on the read button and you can go through the study material. Coming to the quantitative aptitude section, we covered all the topics from quantitative aptitude like number system, averages, ratio and proportions, percentages, mixture and allegation, work and time, speed, time, distance, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, partnership, and data interpretation. So these all are the topics from the quantitative aptitude. So all ebooks are available here. General English. Under General English, so reading comprehension consists of all the guidelines and strategies and techniques how to read and how to attempt the questions from the reading comprehension. The grammar part also given here as a study material like part of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, articles, preposition, conjunctions, tenses. And this like active and passive voice, reported speech, sentence corrections, close test, sentence arrangements, sentence rearrangements, idiomatic expressions. So all required topics are covered under General English. Let's understand test series part. There are 75 test series with 2000 plus MCQs with detailed explanation. According to the syllabus, there are two sections. One is subject knowledge, second one is general paper. Now look into the subject knowledge section. We divided into three subsections for our convenience. One is theory part, second one is labor laws or labor acts, and third one is labor codes. The first part is theory part. In the theory part, we can find management. Management is one topic, human resource management, human resource development, international human resource management, performance management, training and development, organizational behavior, industrial relations, industrial disputes, international labor organization, international labor organization, labor legislations, labor welfare. So these all are topics as part of the theory part. Now we are at labor laws. This is the second subsection under subject knowledge. Under labor laws, all 15 labor acts are given here as test series, like Trade Union Act, Standing Orders Act, Industrial Dispute Act, Factors Act, Contract Labor Act, Child Labor Act, Minimum Wages, Payment of Wages, Payment of Bonus, Equal Remuneration Act, Payment of Gratuity, EPF and Miscellaneous Act, ESI Act, Maternity Benefit Act. All these labor acts are very important for this exam. Labor codes. So far, labor codes were not enacted officially by the government, but in this syllabus, the labor codes were given. So we have to go through it and we have to understand these labor codes. The Code on Wages, the Code on Social Security, Occupational Safety, Health, Working Conditions Code 2020, and the Industrial Relations Code 2020. So these 4 labor codes were given in this syllabus. We have to understand, we have to attempt. Let's understand the general paper. So as we know that general paper consists of reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English and current affairs and GK. So now we can understand the reasoning section. Under reasoning section, we covered all important topics like series completion, analogy, coding and decoding, classifications, blood relations, directions, ranking and sequence, input and output, syllogism, seating arrangements, statement and assumptions, statement and arguments. One more topic under general paper is quantitative aptitude. Under quantitative aptitude, so we covered all the important topics. So here like number system, simplification, averages, ratio and proportion, work and time, speed, time, distance, percentages, profit and loss, partnership, ages, simple interest, compound interest, and data interpretation. So data interpretation consists of tabulation, bar graph, line graph, and pie chart. So we covered all the topics under quantitative aptitude. It will boost your knowledge and you will be able to understand and you will be answer all the questions under quantitative aptitude. Now we can understand another part, general English. This general English, so usually we will having one comprehension and other grammar part. So we have given all the topics under general English like consist of the grammar and all. Under general English, we covered reading comprehension, common errors, jumbled sentences, close test, phrase replacement, fill up the blanks, synonymous and antonymous. So these are the common and important topics under general English. General English and current affairs, it's ocean. So we have to cover so many things under general knowledge and current affairs. So my suggestion is, if you have much time, you have to cover this section. Otherwise, you can leave it. It's your choice, but my suggestion is we have to avoid this section because we need to spend much time on this. If you spend this time for your subject knowledge, it will be very helpful for your interview also. If you focus more on subject knowledge, it will give you 2 benefits. So it will be helpful for your written test as well as it will be very helpful for your interview also. So try to understand this concept, but if you have time, you can spend the time for the general knowledge and current affairs. So far we understood topic wise test series. Now we are going to understand model mock test series. There are 5 model mock test series given here for your practice. These model mock test series consist of 120 questions as per the exam pattern and syllabus. We covered these questions, combination of all the topics and all the sections as per the syllabus. So it will give you the real time exam experience. So you have to attempt all the 5 test series for your practice. So this is all about test series part. Now you can understand how to take test series and what are the features of the test series. Click on the test series, and this is the test series. This is as per the exam pattern only, and there are multiple choice questions, and you have to go through the question and options. You have to select the right option. This is the test series. You can find the question over here, and there are 4 options given for the question. You have to answer, or you have to select the right option among the 4. You can check your time. These are the options. You can find how many questions you answered, how many questions you have not answered, how many questions for the review, and how many questions you have not visited. This is the navigation bar. So there are so many questions given here. So you can navigate from one question to another question. Like if you want to go to 6th question, so here 6th question has come. If you want to go to the 9th question, you can go to the 9th question. You can select the right option. So you can mark for review. So you can find one is marked for the review. And if you answer this question for and save and next, so you are submitting this question, right? And you can clear all the responses also. So you answered 1 question, 1 for the mark, and 3 not visited, and 36 3 are not answered, 36 yet to visit. So after, if you feel everything is done, you can go with submission button. You can submit it. If you want to give any feedback, you can give feedback and submit it. Another feature of this test series is performance tracker. This is the statistics of your test and how many marks you got it in this particular test series also you can check here, and your rank also you can check here. So you can check the toppers. So many students answered this test series. So who got highest score in this test series? One more feature is here solution part, explanation part. For every question there is explanation here, the detailed explanation. So you can understand by explanation also. So what is the right answer? Answer B is the option B is the right answer. So here again, this is the statistics. This is the navigation bar. So you can navigate in it and you can check the answer and explanation of this particular test or question. So this is the 10th question we have not attempted. So we can find. So right option is here. These are the options, and this is the question, this is the explanation. One more key feature is here. So you can view result for each test series, as well as you can retake the test also. So you can reattempt the same test. So you can retake it. The retake means you can reattempt the same test. The same way, so you can go ahead with this. So you can answer it, save and next. If you want to go ahead with this, so you can attempt all the questions and you can check it out. So there is a time for you, and all the this is the navigation tab and all, and you can submit it. You can check your results. Yes, so you got 1 mark. So this is for the last or latest attempt. every time this result will be updated, the result according to your previous attempt. So this is one more feature, a great feature given in this portal. We are sure you will get exam ready within short time with this crash course. Join course today. All the best for your exam. Thank you.